Okay, I think we have it there. One more prop I need, and we'll get going. Here we go. Okay, so I'm looking at some pictures online here. Some people are taking pictures of the pennies, coins, whatnot. I got a few simple tools. You can do this at home to make it easy on yourself. Here, what you have, not this, but that, uh, is a simple coin. Now, the way I've got this set up, the coin is flat, but the camera has an angle to it. A lot of people are using their cell phones. Uh, I see them holding up coins with, yeah, that'll be, no, don't want to use that one. Oh, where's my dish? I see them holding coins with their hands. All right. Well, this is a problem if you're showing off a coin like that, because, well, first off, we know you don't know how to handle the darn thing. So if you're trying to sell it, this one's going to have fucking fingerprints all over it. Okay, then I see the guy, he's showing the coin, he's holding it with a pair of tongs. Oh, geez, so it'd probably be more valuable holding it in your hands than scraping the hell out of it with a pair of metal tongs. I'd rather see this. All right. Well, part of it is the learning experience. I'm not a photographer. I barely get by doing any of this. Okay, so we got a couple of simple tricks. All right, one, lay your camera flat. Let me pick this up and point it around. You can lay your camera flat, right? So let's say this is a camera phone. It's my phone, but it's got a rounded back, right? They got these other phones, they're flat on the back, which is real handy. I can set it down on something flat, but because it's rounded, sometimes it rolls, a little off balance. And I want to get a good shot of this coin down here. So I put a little padding on there. These are the bubbles that didn't survive me popping them all, in a fit of rage. But anyway, you can do it just like this. And this works pretty darn well, okay? You get the coin in a flat surface, but the problem here is the light, if it's an overhead light, has a hard time getting, through the camera here. Okay, how about a camera with its own light? Do we need to complicate this and get into it? Okay, let's have a look. I got this little rig, which is pretty darn handy. It's a piece of foam, right? I think something was packed in it, probably a computer or some electronic thing, maybe a stainless steel kettle. This is that foam board I keep talking about. It's $3 up at Walmart. It's some kind of handy. You can put coins on them, so you can move a bunch of coins. I got these laid out for the shows that I do, and that's pretty handy stuff. It's foam, okay, stiff, and it's got pretty much construction paper printed over the top. Well, I just cut it at an angle here, put a little shelf in, and that works pretty well for putting a coin on there and taking a picture at an angle. The coin stationary and the camera is at an angle. All right, so now all I'm going to do now is work on the lighting. Let's see if we can angle this out for the light. There you go. And you can get in, do whatever you like with the camera. But there's an easier way. If you don't have foam, if you don't have, an envelope with some bubble wrap. Okay, we're going to do it with a piece of cardboard. There it is. It's a piece of cardboard. Nothing to it. Corrugated. I got this off of a box. Okay, I got some tape. This is that magic tape. You put it on, you can't see it. Okay, real easy, real easy. Same idea as this thing. All right, I just want to make an angle. Let's take the darn thing and bend it. Pretty simple. Bend it once. This isn't so good, is it? Let me raise that up. I'm going to bend it one time. Over here, I'm going to bend it a second time. I'm going to get these pair of scissors and cut that baby off. Yeah, right above that second bend. So bend one, bend two. Let's see if we can point to it. There we go. Now bend two, all it needs to do is, keep the coin from rolling away. And I got to get this so it doesn't fling itself open. That's where the tape comes in. Real easy. Oh, I was doing tougher stuff back in second grade. Yeah, they had me doing things like checking the weather. I'd write it down on the board every day. Okay, I got it stuck on the one end. I'm going to bring that over here on the other end. and just stick it on. That's it. So I got a triangle in effect. All right, now here, it would help a little bit if I just had a little spot right at the bottom here. Just kind of dent it in. Okay, let's see how that works. I'm going to take that Constitution medal, I'm going to prop it right up there, and bring that down and see how it works. Because we're going to have the wire in the way. And I've got the coin at an angle. So if the light's right, I got it made. Now the way this is set up, I got this tripod on fixed legs. So let me raise that up so we get a better look. Yeah, this is going to go flying across the room, I can tell right now. Wait for it. There's my box of envelopes. There's my coin. Oop, Butterfingers. Now it's a little lightweight, so if you need to add some leverage, what have we got here? Here's a tube of pennies. I'll just stick it on there. The tape will stick to it just fine. Hey, how about a regular roll of pennies instead of these? There we go. And you can see it's a little clumsy, but it'll work. There's my coin. I don't have my fingers on it. I could have done the other side instead of the side that has the tape on it, because one side has tape and one side is better. You can cover this. If you don't like that, try a piece of paper back there. What do we got here? That's a bill. What's this one? Oh, look, it's a, this'll work. No. There's a lot of things you can just put together with nothing, and it'll be better than what you got. There you go. Now I've got the coin. I can roll it right flat. Put a little more light on it from back here, perhaps, and take a decent photo. There we go. And let's zoom in if we can. A piece of cardboard will save the day. You know you got it like easy. Now the trick here is to match it so that the angle on the cardboard matches the angle on the camera, right? So you have a perpendicular view. That's how these little things work. The vertical stand keeps the camera perpendicular. But if you don't have fancy stuff, well, you can still have functional. And there we go. That's a consolation coin. Let me flip that over. Have a look at the other side. This was made back in the 50s, near as I can tell, out of parts of the ship. They were doing some renovation work. The ship's still in service. There we go. But get creative. Play with it. I mean, you do things like, say, take another piece. There we go. And glue is pretty effective. Where's that tape gone? Oh, right here. Okay, let's put that piece of tape. That's going to be that work. Let's put this right in here so I get a little extra ledge. I can't use this tape. Just jam it right here to hold that coin a little bit better. Wow, I have no grace. There goes the camera. Jack it up. Okay, let's try it now. So we get a little ledge at the front. And we'll put that coin right back in where it was. Now, the trick here is that this might block the view just a skosh. So work with it. Where'd that other one go? I got a desk. It's this big and I can't find nothing on it. With this homemade rig, I glued that piece right on the front. So the way that works, let me get this thing out of here. It works. I mean, really. The most expensive part was the pennies. Okay. And there we go. Let's get a little angle on the ledge too, so it helps keep that coin from flying away. And now you can take a photo of a coin. You don't have to hold it with your hands. You don't have to hold it with a metal tongs, because damn. Set it there, and now the coin is separate from the camera. It's stable. It's not going anywhere, and you can take your picture at your pleasure. Change the lighting any way you like. There you go. And it works. Okay, good luck. Let me know how it turns out. Do a video. Show me what you come up with. We'll see you later.